To start the best cake you've ever had before in your life, and it all starts with Jello. And then with my boil here, pour in half. Look at the color, looks cool. Push it right to the next. Lift up a little bit, keep going. Got to go in a little bit of cold water as well. Of course, I'm making Jello Classic, and this comes straight from the box. Then from here, very, very easy. Need to stir just a little bit with a whisk. Going to the next. Alright, so I have my fresh cake here, and I'm going to take a bowl to help cut it out. And all you have to do is push down into it to kind of form it. Once you get a little twist, so I'm going to pull my little inner LeBron. And so you need to push out 3 of these, and so I'm going to take 2 from each end. Alright, so now we're going to go on, but we're going to flip it over, just like so. Take your fresh whipped cream, and you're going to start in the center, squeeze, and then we're just going to rotate, just like so, so that we get one even layer. Because I'm going to add some strawberries, and you're going to push out the whipped cream, just like so. So you can give it a little turn if you want to go fast when we play a game. I don't know if I can catch up with it. And I already have them measured out, my blueberries, and you're just going to pour it right into the center. Grab this piece, and then you're just going to push on. And we want to make sure that everything is level. Once you're at this point, we have a really good buttercream. And this recipe you can find only on chefclub.tv. And what you're going to do, you're going to start rotating it around. Easiest thing you can do, take a ruler. Just kind of look around your house. You can figure it out like I did. Now, we need another container to go on the side. So I have a cotton candy container that I've cut. And now with the leftover buttercream, what you're going to do, you're going to push it against the side. And this is going to insulate it for the next step whenever we have our Jello. What you'll do, you'll get your Jello. And we need to go a little bit fast, but we're going to start off with red on the bottom. So we're going to pour it in. If you want to get a better layer like I'm doing here, what you need to do is set it in the fridge every 5 minutes after pouring. But now I'm going to start off with my red again for another layer. Alright, so finishing off with the little line of red here. And now finally we have our last one, which is going to be the yellow. Alright, and I'm going to pour the last right over the top. And so it's going to fill in everything on the buttercream, and now we got a really cool layer on top. Wow. Alright, so now it's time to go into the fridge, let it set for about 5 minutes. Alright, so now, right out of the fridge, I went ahead and cut the back. And so what this is going to help me do is actually unmold it a little bit easier. You kind of see it unwrapping on itself. And you have your Jello cake. Isn't that cool? I think it's pretty cool. Looks great too. Look at the lines. But of course, as always, we need to taste it. So let's go in. Wow, this looks absolutely amazing. Alright, so we have our Jello strawberry shortcake. A lot of different flavors going all the way through it. This is probably going to be